So he should be calm. You want him to have lots of fresh water afterwards. Yeah, see, he's relaxed. He's easy going. He's not stressed. He's not freaking out trying to figure out where the toy went. He knows he'll get it back in a good time. But that, yeah, I can take it away and it's no big deal. See, goes back to again why I say you gotta make sure to have lots of fresh water so that they can drink and, so that having these dehydrated foods doesn't impair their bodies and their digestion. As long as you provide adequate water with such things, there's no reason you can't feed dehydrated food. But you gotta be aware and watching and make sure the dog drinks enough. But, Benny, are you ready? Are you done? Good boy, thank you. Hey, Ben? Just so you know, Benny, stay. This is what, down, Ben. Stay off. That's, what's left of the bully stick from when he was chewing on it a few moments ago. I realized I wanted to let you guys see exactly how much he had chewed. But then we'll just do another trade, and get him to trade the bully stick for another treat. Yeah, good boy. Thank you. Yeah, good boy. Thank you. Good boy. Thank you. But yeah, that's what is left after half an hour of an 18-inch. Or, I guess that there's probably 12 inches, maybe 13, maybe 14 at the most. So he has gone through at least 4 to 6 inches of this. So yeah, obviously Benny can get through it a lot faster than a lot of dogs. So one of the other things you can do with this is use it as a reward while you're doing training work. So Benny, sit. Since he sits, he can get to chew on it for a couple seconds. Once he gets a nibble on it. Good boy, thank you. Alright. Give. No. Benny, give. Good boy. Sometimes it helps to be rotating it while you're trying to get the dog to give it up. Good boy. Down. Good boy. You see? You can either use the bully stick as a reward. You can use it as a command, like a way to give commands. So how you move it tells the dog what you want. You can use it to point out things to get the dog to know, like Benny, that I want him to climb off. Climb up. Good boy, thank you. And letting him have a nibble on it for a few seconds as a reward afterwards. And just it's also a pretty strong motivator, so if you take it with you on walks, it'll give the dog a reason to pay attention to you while you walk around and while you're moving, and gives you a really powerful reward to have on hand when high distraction like a squirrel or something occurs. The moment he did what I wanted him to do, I let him have the treat. And after a moment or two, I pull it away. And he gets the flavor of it, he gets to enjoy chewing on it a second, but then I ask him to do something else, stand, before he can chew on it anymore. And it's just a nice way to change up some of the training and give the dog a way to experience different distractions and still understand they still have to obey different commands. You can use it as a toy to play fetch. Uh-oh. You're gonna hang on, Ben. Whoopsie. Give me a sec. Manners. Get it? Come on. Good boy. So yeah, it can be used as a fetch toy. Especially if you've got a dog who maybe isn't much into fetching or retrieving and picking things up. A good way to get them started with the concept of the game is something like a bully stick that they have to go and retrieve to continue getting to chew on it. Good boy. Yeah. So, there's lots of different ways you can utilize these kind of things. Yeah, you're a good boy, eh? Is that good? So, yeah. It's a good reward, but it's just not something that for Benny will last very long, and it doesn't. I'm not going to be able to depend on, you know, giving it to him and not having to give. Thank you. And not having to worry about him for hours and hours on end. So, for younger dogs, for smaller dogs, definitely can last a lot longer. Even without breaking it up. But there's lots of ways to incorporate it into your work and into your training. And as we go about, we'll try to show you some more. I hope you have a wonderful day. And until next time. Yeah, so are we gonna say goodbye? Oh, hush. Yeah, we're gonna go bye for now. Everybody have a wonderful day. And the next few we'll see will be some obedience training that we're gonna do with Benny and the bully stick. Hey, Ben? Yeah, you're a good boy, thank you. So, I don't know how well this will show in the sunlight. But, yeah, you're not gonna take it. Yeah. Good boy, gentle. No, gentle. No, bad boy. Give. Manners. Get paw. Pause now. Thank you. Manners. Thank you. Good boy. You notice that I don't let him have it unless he was behaving himself and being polite. And one of the tricks, if he's being a bully about it, is to twist it as opposed to let him actually pull. Sit. Thank you. So you noticed when I first tried to hold on to it, and I wasn't twisting at all, but I was letting him pull. He easily ripped it out of my hand. But when I decided to hold on to it, and when he started to try to pull, I just twisted. I just easily took it right away from him. Use the physics to your advantage, and maintain control of who gets to hold on to and keep a hold of it. When you're using it as a training reward and training exercises, you always need to make sure to maintain control of it. You say when he gets it. Paw. Gently, paw. Thank you. Alright, good boy. Gentle. Gentle. You know, he is trying to work on it to get the piece off, and I understand he has to pull a little bit, but he still has to be gentle about it. Good boy. Alright, I know. Anyways, so, I'm going to show you a few other things as we go about in the next couple of minutes. just giving you a bit of a heads up and understanding what we're doing here. You can use the bully stick as a command giver. See? So that's one way you can use it. You can use it in a way like to Benny, stay, to tell them where you want them to position. Benny, gentle, good boy. So there's lots of different ways that you can combine the bully stick with the with other obedience work and training. So stand, let's go. We're gonna show the next bit of it. Just gotta be careful of the traffic here. So as we're coming up to here at the front door, one of the things that I had to teach the dog is to Benny, manners. Out of the way, come. Sit, stay. Go ahead, it's okay. I'm doing a training video, that's all. Manners, gentle, fast. Sorry, we gotta make sure we're not in the way. But, anyway, so. Gentle, stay. Manners, no. Good boy, thank you. So, Benny, heel now. So, it's just one way you can use it. There's all sorts of ways you can work with them. Anyways, have a good day.